Jianshui County is an organic part of the overall urban spatial structure of 1 center, 2 axes, and 4 districts in Honghe Prefecture, Yunnan Province. With the increasing development of urban economy, parking problem has become increasingly prominent. Project construction background. In order to solve the traffic congestion caused by the disorderly parking of cars on both sides of the roads around the Aocheng Stadium, the intelligent multi-levels parking project of Aocheng Stadium in Jianshui is funded by the National Special Fund of Jianshui Housing and Urban Construction Bureau, located in Aocheng area, Lin'an Town, Jianshui County. The project is adjacent to Cuiping Road in the west, Jianshui Sports Center in the east. It is close to the Aocheng Stadium in the south. In the north is the tennis hall. The area is densely populated, surrounded by Cuiping Commercial and Farmers Market, Honghe No. 2 People's Hospital, and other administrative places, offices, communities, and entertainment places. There is a huge demand for parking. Project Planning Overview. According to the construction requirements of Jianshui Aocheng Stadium, combined with the surrounding geographic elements, after many times of planning discussions, Dayang Parking Co Limited issued the optical parking scenario. The project adopts the design of an 8-story plan moving intelligent solid parking system above the ground. Steel concrete structure. Total land area 6,349 square meters. The total construction area is 21,392 square meters. The first to third floors are commercial facilities. The fourth to eighth floors are multi-story parking areas. It is divided into 2 large areas, A and B, by left and right, with fire separation in the middle. There are 519 mechanical parking spaces in the construction. There are 6 elevators in the whole project, 10 sets of smart cone carriers, 4 entrances, 2 exits, 6 elevator positions are reserved to allow feature updates at any time according to subsequent usage. Advanced garage design. Achieve smooth traffic according to geographical conditions. According to the height difference of side terrain, 4 entrances are set on the first floor on the east side. Sufficient waiting area is reserved in front of the entrance to prevent congestion due to waiting for parking. Cars enter the parking lot from the south entrance. Choose a suitable entrance to park into the garage. Oversized or passing cars leave from the north exit of the garage. 2 exits are set on the second floor on the west side. After retrieved from the west exit of the garage, cars go out directly to Cuiping Road. Smooth traffic flow lines effectively prevent traffic congestion around the garage. Simple access, comfortable experience. During car parking, driver drives the car to the entrance. The loop detector in front of the garage door automatically senses the car. The garage door opens automatically. The driver only needs to drive the car into the garage entrance according to the voice prompt. Pull the handbrake when get out of the car. Fold up the rear view mirrors and press the safe button. During car retrieving, driver just need to scan the QR code by cell phone and input the license plate number. Then the car is going to be automatically taken out to the exit for the convenience of driving the car out. Using the mobile app or the WeChat public account online platform, online query of the current number of parking spaces, QR code scanning access, and real-time payment can be realized. Advanced drive and stable carrying. The garage adopts traction drive mode, steel wire rope lifting. The rated lifting load is only 55% of the car weight. Frequency speed control is more stable and reliable. The acceleration and deceleration time of lifting is shorter. The slider adopts electric brush for power transmission. No drag cable restraints. Smooth operation, no abnormal noise. Mature and advanced cone carrying technology. providing a comfort journey for your car. Precise positioning and efficient operation. The lifting process of the elevator and the sliding movement of the slider are positioned by the laser raining device. Positioning tolerance less than 2 mm. Comb exchange without returning the loading pallet. 6 elevators, 10 sliders and carriers can be operated independently and collaboratively to achieve parking and retrieving. Reasonable distribution through PLC centralized control. Operate the slider and elevator on each floor separately. Improve the efficiency of entry and exit. Savor every minute and every second. Full monitoring, smart parking. The entrance is equipped with length, width, height, and live detection devices. Since the car enters the garage, the whole operation process monitoring is realized. The monitoring data is connected to the big data platform of Dayang Intelligent Parking. Industrial Ethernet is adopted for data communication. Data transmission is stable and efficient without delay. Support for non-local system and process data queries. At the same time, it integrates the company's city-level data management platform. Realize the functions of parking lot data collection, data analysis, and data sorting. It can also collaborate with the technical staff of the head office in real time to realize remote fault diagnosis and garage remote monitoring. Quick troubleshooting. When building the urban smart parking management platform, more and more smart parking garages are providing strong data support for urban management, social governance, and government decision-making. Create the new urban parking space with technology. Create high-quality Dayang products with responsibility. Dayang Parking is willing to join hands with you to create a better future.